guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new and don't know me, hi, my name is Jamie, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of shopping at Hobby Lobby. If you guys don't know what Hobby Lobby is, Hobby Lobby has tons of crafting things, and they have the cutest decorations ever. I love going to Hobby Lobby. I know if I'm looking for anything home decor, I know to go there and I will definitely find what I need. So that's what I am doing today. If you guys are new and not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of hauls and do-it-yourselves, and I also do a lot of organization, and I do plan on doing a few vlogs as well. I haven't done those yet, but I do plan on doing those in the near future. If you guys would like that, please give this a thumbs up and let me know if that sounds like something you would like to see, the day in the life of my crazy family. So that's what we're gonna go do today, and I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching because they have so many cute spring and Easter decorations that I'm going to show you, and a lot of farmhouse decor as well. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, I am seriously obsessed with all these nursery and kid room decorations. This is just a small portion of all the cute decor they have for kids. Oh my gosh, guys, seriously, look at the cute little girl decor. This really makes me wish I had little girls. Welcome to my crib. How perfect is that? This black and white decor is really growing on me. I absolutely love it. Almost everything in this store is like 50% off right now, which makes everything so affordable and inexpensive. I'm also really loving the blue and white designs that they have right now. Does anybody else remember these being really popular back in the 90s? I remember this as a kid. My parents had tons of this stuff laying around. Leave a comment down below if you guys also remember this being a big thing back in the 90s. Okay guys, here we are in the Easter decor, and I am really loving these carrots, and with 40% you cannot beat that price. They have so many Easter basket options right now, and the baskets are very high quality, and with 40% off, you cannot beat that. These are great options for baby's first Easter. How adorable are these? And here's the first Easter as well. So cute. All right, for everybody watching, this is for you. You're the bee's knees. They have so many beautiful plates and placemats for spring and summer. Just a lot of gorgeous options to pick from. Check out the awesome bins that they have. They have so many colors. I mean, you can pick any of these to go with your decor or your style, and they are great quality. And with a coupon, you cannot beat the price. And right now, these are 40% off. Well, that'll be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this shop with me at Hobby Lobby. It was a lot of fun, and I found so many beautiful things in the store. If you guys are new and you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you. And don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. See you next time. Bye.